file style.css. Create one file style.css. In import CSS folder. Style.css, and again create one file home.html. Import CSS. We created the file called style.css and we created a file called home.html. Yes. Home.html and style.css. Both the file hope you have created in which folder? Import CSS folder, right? Come inside a style.css file or body tag, right margin 0 pairs. Next, write for h1 text hyphen align center and font hyphen size 70 pixel. Okay, so center color also you can change blue color. So this is one separate CSS file. Now using import method, we are going to call in the home file. Okay, CSS is done. Come to the home.html file. To the home file, in home file, HTML, then head. After that, link, style set, href, but this is called in external method. This is called external method. This you are going to comment. This is for your reference. It is as a external method as a for your reference. Next, after that, how to write import CSS. You have to open the style tag, close the style tag. Open the style, close the style. Next, after that, open the right here @import space URL that you will give style.css, and you will call here font awesome also icon slash css slash all.css. This is the way you call a CSS file, and it is called an import CSS. This way, when we call a CSS file, that is called as a import CSS. Okay, then come now, open the body tab, close the body tab, each one is right inside. Welcome, welcome, import CSS. Okay, ready? Save the file, run now. Check CSS is getting applied. Something like this. Which one is coming in blue color? So in this method also your CSS will get called. CSS, the way of writing remains same, class ID remains same, parent child, all method is same. File will be separate CSS file, separate HTML file. That is also same. Only difference is of calling. If you follow linked method, you will follow like this. If you follow import method, you will follow like this. Link rel style sheet href file equal filename.css. Here import URL space filename.css. Check now, page is loading, import CSS. Yours is not loading. Some your system. He has kept file somewhere else, he is searching somewhere else. Okay, this is your folder. Write your name. File is not inside.
So I will create the image.
Where is it?
So input CSS.
Create it somewhere else. This is the where you have created. This is the name. Your name. Check your name. Which folder? This one. This is the CSS file. Okay. Okay. Go ahead next. So if anyone not loading, unable to load, they should also say mine is not working. I will help you out. If you not say yes or no, then how it will work out here? Simple if you attend and no, yes, no, no. Okay, leave that. Come next. So your page should look like this. We have written the import CSS where we added the H1. Now you can write inside the ULLI to create a navigation. UL and LI. For this UL, write one ID, top nav, follow the LI, write call A, href equal to your current file name, home.html, write here call home event, home about, home then contact, service, login. check, write it. Okay, hope done. Now go inside, use the icon tag now. We have to use everywhere I tag to display the different type of icons. I open close right here. Class equal to fa-home. Next is called contact. Okay, let me keep in well organized manner. Headset. Home will give you home symbol. Headset will give you the headset symbol. Home contact us, write it. Then we'll come for the service and login. Come down and go for the next call service. You can write here call I tag open close. Service icon you can represent using the tools FFA tools. FFA tools. Same way, we can go for the login. Login, you can use the lock, FFA lock, FFA lock, and FFA lock. Next is called the register. Hello. Hello. आएगी थोड़ी देर के बाद 10:30. You add here user hyphen plus. User hyphen plus. Arrange it properly. Let me know once you add it. So you can check now. It should look like this. Oh, icon is not coming. Something like this. Icons. All the text have one icon. We will write CSS and we'll make it better. So come now to the CSS file. Check now. Are you writing or completed the UL to LI? Because we have to shift in another file. We need to go to the CSS file. You will lose this code. So let me know. I'll wait here. style.css file. Now write the CSS for UL tag. For UL tag, which ID you have given? Top nav, right? So you will write the CSS for top nav. Has top nav. Has top nav. Padding 20 px. Text align. Okay, let it be left. Margin 0 px. Background blue color. Now under the top nav, have li. For that li, display should be inline and padding from top 20, left right 40, bottom 20. This is in pixel. This is in pixel. Pixel. Next, after that, we will write top nav as top nav of li of e tag. The color should be white color. The color should be white color. And text hyphen decoration will be none. Text decoration will be none. Text decoration will be none. And then top name of li of e, color is a white, text decoration none, and then font hyphen size 22 pixel. So icon will be big size as well as okay, ready. Next, save it. See something like this. Blue color navigation will appear with very good icon. Check now, your navigation should get ready. Navigation is ready.
Mais pour les pailles, pour les pailles, pour le marché, pour les pailles,
That is what that is right. Now to try. That's why it's like all examples, all development, estimate, estimate. Okay. Author follow मेरा और जितना प्रोडक्ट हमें ये डेट follow करके उसको सॉल्व करना है उसके बाद मेरा सब लाइन को प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ उसी का एक एक्स्ट्रा कोड बीएस कोड में जितना असाइनमेंट दे और इसके लिए सीएसएस के जावास्क्रिप्ट सब कुछ से मेरा विजुअल स्टूडियो को इसका विजुअल स्टूडियो जस्ट को ये सारे एचटीएमएल वेब बना रहे जावास्क्रिप्ट आएगा रिएक्ट आएगा विजुअल स्टूडियो मैं इसके लिए फोकस बॉक्स लिखा है चेक कर दी इतना सब कुछ
ये तो मैं यहाँ करने वाला वैसे तो मैं चाहिए मैं नाम डेस्कटॉप में कर रहा है
ये मेरा लैंग्वेज में इतना है इतना है एक्सटर्नल
नहीं
अभी चल रहा है
मेरे को ये पहले ना डेस्कटॉप में ये फोल्डर्स वो पूरे ले जाओ एक में बनाना चाहिए वैसा
एक फोल्डर में चाहिए
सब
डेस्कटॉप में एक ने डेस्कटॉप में रखो तुम मेरा भी जितना है मैं उसको डी ड्राइव में रख सकता हूँ बस डेस्कटॉप में रख सकता हूँ। मैंने तुम उधर से सब कॉपी करके एक मैन फोल्डर तुम्हारा नाम का बना दे उसके बाद सब फोल्डर बनाओ वो एचटीएमएल फाइल हो गया सीएसएस का सॉफ्टवेयर अप्लाई करना
नहीं अब वो मेरे को अब इसमें होना है मेरे को कोर्स
सेट
साइट
है
ये डेस्कटॉप में है ना
वो ऐसा
हाँ ये पूरा इसको ड्रैग करके उसमें इसमें पेस्ट करो पता है
अभी करो हो जाएगा उसको ड्रैग करके हाँ छोड़ो सब सब ले जाओ काफी चला जाएगा जितना भी रखते हो सब ले जाओ कौन करो उसको सब ले जाओ हो गया
सर मेरा नाम को
डेस्कटॉप में
नहीं ये है ना अपना
तुम्हारा होगा
ये इसमें मेरा मैं ये है ना परीक्षा इसमें है वो कि
उधर मतलब यहाँ सौ ही है ना उसको पे करो मुझे नहीं आता की फास्ट कोई इशू मेरा माइंड है जो फुटबॉल है अगर उसे कुछ करना है इसको चला गया
Okay, so hope your navigation look like this. Menu is a blue color and text is in the white color. You can make one hover class also here. In top nav, whichever the li we have, if any e tag is there, and on that hover will happen. In color will be red color directly. Color will be red color directly. Okay, next sequence is happening something like this. Wherever the cursor will go, the red will happen. Now this file is ready. Which file? Home file. Create remaining other files. Contact, service, login, register. Same content copy paste and change the h1. Right. So we'll create next file. Contact.html. Contact.html. We will copy the home file and we'll paste here and we'll say like contact us. Change the heading. Okay, next after that, service.html file. Create the next file, service.html. Change the heading to our services. Next file will create login.html. One more file is required, register.html. Okay. So indirectly your all files are ready. Click on the link and check once whether all pages are loading. Okay, ready? Now we can do different type of functionality in each pages. Contact us will be contact us form, service will be some services, login will be login form, register will be register page. Come to last page, that is called register, and display one font awesome icon here before register text. Do this in register page. Okay, so user plus symbol appear, something like this. Come similar to the login page. Display here lock symbol, FAFA lock. FAFA lock. It will give you the lock symbol, something like this. Same way in service page, we can display the tools. FAFA tools, you can display. We'll display the tool symbol. tool symbol will appear in contact page. If I have the headset, no. Hello. Okay. No, I don't have anyone as of now. We'll check if anyone is there. Will help. Okay. For written headset symbol appear. Right now, in each pages, we will be doing something. So understand first the import CSS. What is the difference of import and link external? So in import CSS, also you made a separate file of CSS and separate file of HTML. Okay, separate file of CSS and separate file of HTML. Then under the CSS, we wrote ID class, whichever we required, we wrote it by tag name, by tag group. Now those things should get applied in HTML. Then again, you have to establish a link between HTML and CSS file. So the link you are establishing through not link method using the import method. A style you have to open close and inside that you have to write @import space URL style.css. So it will be like your file will be imported here. It is a type of linking only from HTML to CSS, a kind of linking only from HTML to CSS. Then remaining it will work same as it was working for external. So difference is of one line. Link method happen through the link tag. Import method happen through the import tag. Okay, import keyword, import space URL. Okay, remaining all are same. Now come to which file? Call maybe in the service file. Okay. In service file, we want to display some drop down. When the mouse will go to the service, some kind of drop down should open here, like service 1, service 2, service 3, service 4, like that. So how to make the drop down? Some changes we have to do in the CSS file. First come to the CSS file, and for top nav you have written padding, correct? You can remove that line, padding. For top nav we have written some padding, remove that. And under the top nav of li, display inline we have written, we need to convert into inline hyphen block. Display inline hyphen block. Do this one changes. Okay, display icon, inline icon block. It is similar. A small changes, maybe little space got reduced, but almost will be similar. Now in services drop down, in services li we need to add here some drop down. Okay, so how to do that? You have to come to the HTML now. First go to the home file. In home file, we have li, there we have written a tag, service open close, let it be. After a tag, open a UL within the li. Open a UL within the li, and for this UL, give the class equal to submenu. Class equal to submenu. Next here, this UL is a part of services. UL is a part of services. Next, after this, inside this submenu, we will follow again li and right here call something software services. Hardware services, marketing services, employment services, and other services. Submenu added, save now, save once. Submenu is not visible.
You can try to spelling of CSS.
Yeah, we have not added. Or was in home page now, no? Yes. See, in home page, it's coming here, going little here, there. We have to make little change in the design look and feel. It is in your home file. Once you go to home file, then it will go. Now come, we'll write the CSS for that. Submenu. Hmm? Okay, done. Come to the style.css file. You have written here UL of li of a, the top is fine. Now come down in the last before h1. Write a class called dot service, not service, submenu. Submenu of li. Under the submenu, whichever the li is there, that should be display block. Display colon block. It should print in the new line. Okay, submenu of li display block. Okay, display block. It should be something like this. Oh, not happen. Exclamation important apply here. To set higher priority. Display block. It's coming in the new line. Color should be white color. Color should be white color. Text will be in white color. All. Written submenu of li display block means go to the new line. Color is white. And then font size is very small. Keep font size similar 22 px. It will look little big size. Okay. Before that, you will write the CSS for submenu. Before that, you will write the CSS for submenu. Position absolute. Position absolute. Why we wrote position absolute? Because you can see the submenus are dearranged. You can see here inside this page, the UL went up and this become down. No? This submenu should come down. It is going where? Up. This submenu, whichever we have, it should open here in the down. It should not open up. It should not go up. So for that, now I wrote position as a absolute. So what will happen? The submenu will follow the parent. Parent will not go up. Services is the parent tag. You can see in this file. Services is the parent. These all are the child. Now parent has changed the position. If you write the position absolute, parent will not change the position. Hold on. Let me write background is a blue. Background is a blue only. For submenu, I wrote position absolute and background is a blue. Something like this. It will come down now. It will come down. Instead of going up, it will come down. Check it once. Write submenu and then submenu of li. Okay, so look like it is a submenu. It's coming down. But it should not be like this directly. Once the mouse will come here, then it should open. It should be by default hidden. By default, it should be hidden. Once the mouse will go here, then the submenu will open. So for that now, you will write the display none. DISPLAY display colon NONE none. Display colon none gone. Is it visible?
No.
Not visible, right? Is not visible. Once you write display none, it will hide. It will hide. Now once the mouse will go to the services, it should open. Once mouse will go to services, then it should open. So for that, we have to write another CSS below. Under the top nav, there is a li colon hover. Okay, when you move the mouse on li, after that, if it has a submenu, after that, then the submenu should be display block. Submenu should be display block, like it should show display block. So when you move the mouse on, li, then it will check under the li any submenu is there. If any submenu is there, then that submenu should be visible. Submenu should be visible. Now let us see. Look like this. When the mouse will go here, this menu will open. That is called as a submenu. Menu and submenu. Okay, happening, opening or not? Submenu. When you move your mouse on main menu, submenu should get open. I will send it this file in chat also. Style.css as well as these 3-4 files. In that home file is the main file where we have added the services. In home file, once you move the mouse in services. So this way we can add the drop down in multiple links in the login register, anywhere, wherever you want, you can add this kind of link in the. Okay, so we'll not have class tomorrow. Next class will be on Monday. Some more CSS features are pending. After completing, we will move to the bootstrap. CSS3 related some more class we have, some more features we have, properties. We'll be seeing why next class. File is sent in your chat. Please check once.